Hello everyone, this is Laura, your Adult Services Librarian with my cat Rusty, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy cat cave. For supplies, you'll need a t-shirt, 2 wire hangers, wire cutter and pliers, scissors, a hand towel or something soft that your cat will like, a piece of cardboard, and heavy-duty tape. It can be packing tape, electrical tape, or duct tape. And optional is 1 cat. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to remove the tops of the hangers with the wire cutters so you can use the rest of the wire for the hanger. Okay, so be careful because the ends of the hangers will be sharp. So now, on the piece of cardboard, I drew X's to where I want them, and I kind of curved this with the wire, with the pliers. So now what you do is, using the wire hanger, you'll poke a hole with it where the X's are and put it across at an angle. And you'll repeat that with the other one so they crisscross at the top. On the back side of the cardboard, you will take this with your pliers, curve it back, and put tape over it. Okay, so now I have a frame that looks like this, and you'll see on the back side, I've taped down the edges. I've used my pliers to kind of even it out, and you'll see it crisscrosses here at the top. So now the next step is to put the t-shirt over it. So I pulled mine over the top and I tucked under the sleeves on both sides here. You can see that. Mine is not the prettiest thing, but I know that you can make it much nicer looking than mine here. So the final step is to put something on the inside that your cat will like. My kitty really likes terry cloth, so I was going to put that in there for him. And then you can put this in any area of your house that your cat likes. It's just very makeshift. Mine is, because I didn't have the kind of t-shirt that I wanted for something like this. But you can use any kind of t-shirt, any kind of fabric for the inside. And you can safety pin the t-shirt to the bottom. You can hot glue it if you want to keep it forever. But this is even just a great makeshift if you have a new kitten in your house or a new cat in your house. Cats really like to feel safe in small spaces. So let's put the terry cloth in there and see if Rusty likes it. I guess I did not realize how big my cat was when I made this. So he's definitely checking it out though. He's trying to get in there. He does really like it. Next time when I make this, I will definitely use a much larger piece of cardboard. I hope your cat likes it. It's a fun activity to do with your family. Thanks for watching.